Welcome to this YouTube channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to tackle product rule in calculus. When we say product, look at this example: differentiate with respect to x. Y equals to open bracket 3 plus 2x close bracket, and another bracket open 1 minus x close bracket. When you look at it very closely, we have two brackets, all right? So this is a product, and it requires you to apply product rule. Now in calculus, there is a simple formula we have for product rule, and if you don't want to use the formula, it's very fine, all right? So let's look at the formula in product rule. Product rule formula for dy dx will be u dv dx plus v du dx. Like I said, it is not compulsory to memorize this formula. I will show you how to get these things done now without even needing the formula, all right? Now, back to our question. We have y equals to 3 plus 2x and 1 minus x. Now, this first one, represent it, let it be your u. And this second one, let it represent your v. That's the first thing. This represents u, this represents v. Now we have your u. Since u is 3 plus 2x, treat this first. Du dx is 2. You might be wondering, how did I get 2? If you are wondering how I got 2, please check my other video on how to solve simple differentiation in calculus, all right? Now, v equals to 1 minus x. dv, you also treat v as well. dv dx will be minus 1. All right? So having got that, now let me quickly give you a quick clue or formula or how to get it without using the formula. Back to the question. When you look at the question, y equals to this and this, the simple way is this. You will say y equals to this one, or this one constant, differentiate this, plus or this one constant, differentiate this. Simple way. If I want to solve it now without using any formula, I will just say y equals to, dy dx will be, I will hold this constant. That means I will write 3 plus 2x. Okay, I'm coming there, all right? Let me be done with this, and I will show you that very quickly. Now, dy dx, using our formula of u dv dx plus v du dx. Now it becomes, what is your u? Your u is 3 plus 2x, all right? And dv dx is minus 1. Then plus v is 1 minus x, and your du dx is 2. It's as simple as that. In fact, this is the answer. All you just need to do is just to, do some rearrangements here and there. All right? By the time you rearrange, minus 1 times this, you have minus 3 minus 2x, then plus 2 minus 2x. And by the time you bring them together, you have minus 4x minus 1. And that is the answer. All right? So, but let me quickly show you how you can get this without using the formula. Just say dy dx equals to all this constant. That means I will write 3 plus 2x. I've held it constant. Now differentiate 1 minus x. If I want to differentiate this, I'll get minus 1. All right? Plus all this constant as well. 1 minus x. Then come back to this and differentiate this. And of course, you have 2. If you look at it very closely, it is the same thing as when we used the formula. So this is how to solve product rule in calculus. Thank you very much, and I'd like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you got value.